This is CARDOT LCD key 2022. The press start button. It works with aftermarket smart column. And this is master operation interface. It's all the other operation control panel. This is a Bluetooth keyless entry. This is a window up functions. It works with your car window up. If your car has window up functions, it can work. This remote start, you can change. You can set method as you wish. And this is phone number. And this is setting. There are many functions to setting. System, daytime, language. There are 10 types of languages. English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Russian, Vietnam, and Turkey, and the Arabic, and Thailand. Okay, this is display. Brightness, screen time. There are many logos to be changed by yourself. Home screen, you also can change it. And this is Bluetooth icon. Green, it means it is connected. It is working. Okay. And this is lock, this unlock, this trunk, this manual operation. Okay. This is power button, on and off. This is power charge. That's all. Thank you.